When we first looked at the challenges in developing the Cardiff Commitment, one of the barriers identified by both schools and businesses was how they're going to exchange information on opportunities and profiles. And the council, working with Digital Profile, has solved the problem. And the new Digital Profile will enable businesses to post opportunities in a safe digital space. It will enable schools and their pupils to post profiles on the same space and match up opportunities. So this is a significant step forward, and hopefully will increase and improve the momentum of Cardiff Commitment as we look to engage with more schools and more businesses, not just in Cardiff, but then throughout the city region.